I have found unlimited poster design ideas platforms I want to share with you in today's video. If you are a designer and you want to get unlimited design ideas for your posters, this video is for you. Without wasting further time, let's jump right in. So the first platform you can get unlimited poster design ideas is Canva. Canva is a free tool online platform for designers. You'll find links to Canva in the description down below. So if I come over to the search bar of Canva, then I search for poster, hit enter. From here, you get unlimited design ideas through Canva. As you can see, all these are beautiful poster design ideas you can copy. Take note, these are just ideas, so you don't have to straightforward copy everything. You just have to pick some few things and put them together to come out with your design idea. As a matter of fact, you can blend 2 or more poster design ideas to come out with a unique design for your poster. It should be noted that to use some of the templates, you will need to have the Pro version of Canva. As you can see the crown sign right here. So if you don't have the Pro version, you wouldn't be able to use this design. You can use it alright, but you will not be able to download it. You get the idea. One good thing about Canva is that you can start customizing it inside Canva itself. So if I click on this one, I can just go ahead and click on customize this template, which will open in a new tab. From here, you can begin to customize the template to suit your needs. To have a copy of this, you can just go over to share, then click on download. Then you go ahead and click on download button to have a copy of it on your computer. Awesome. The next platform through which you can get poster design ideas is come over to Google. In here, I can enter sample poster design. Then I hit enter. From here, I click on the images tab. Scrolling down, you see unlimited design ideas you can use for your next project. Awesome. And with this, you can scroll and scroll till you are tired. You see that more is uploading, as you can see. Perfect. If you get a particular one you want to emulate from, you just select it. Then you go ahead and right click, save image as. From here you choose a location, file name, you enter the name you want to give to your file to have a copy of it in your computer. The third platform on which you can get poster design ideas is templatewarriors.com. That is the website for this very channel. So if you land on templatewarriors.com, all what you need to do is go ahead and click on shop. Scrolling down to the sidebar, just go ahead and select posters. And here we have some poster design ideas. There are not many at the moment, but we'll be adding more poster design ideas to it. So keep coming to templatewarriors.com for more design ideas. And those were the 3 platforms you can use to get your poster design ideas. I hope you found a ton of value in today's video. If you did, make sure you click on the like button. It does help us out. In the meantime, stick around to watch any video on poster design ideas.